In this video, you can find hot glue hacks for decoration and practical use. And what's more, we'll be getting ready for a horror party. Are you intrigued? Come on, let's do it together. Do you think your old sunglasses are too boring and old-fashioned? Let's transform them into a trendy, sparkling accessory for cool selfies and themed parties. Let's change the frame shape using the hot glue gun. Squeeze the glue across the top ridge. Increase the top corner of the rim to make a cat eye shape. We've changed the frame outline. The plain square shape has been transformed into the cat eye. Let's add some glow. Cover the lenses with masking tape. Apply white glue to the rims. Sprinkle with golden glitter. Remove the tape. Apply white glue to the uncovered area and add more glitter. Wear these glamorous sunglasses to take unforgettable selfies. Let's make a stunning summer decoration for your phone. A juicy strawberry will do perfectly. Take a piece of plastic. You can cut it out from a used plastic envelope. Smear it with fatty cream. Squeeze a thick layer of the hot glue. Shape a strawberry. Imitate leaves on top. Spread the cream on and all. Make seed-like holes in the warm glue. Mark the border between the leaves and the berry. Color the strawberry with nail polishes. Take white nail polish and a thin brush. Paint the holes white. Make the top pink. Now, use a bold red color. The further down you go, the darker. Paint the bottom burgundy red. Make a few darker strokes on top of the lighter coat to make the strawberry look natural. Remove the excess nail polish from the notches. Use the awl. Color the leaves. Use 2 green shades. Add a little blue. When mixing with green, it'll transform into a teal shade. It's so tempting! Attach it to a monochrome phone case. The eye-catching red strawberry will transform your phone into a gorgeous summer accessory. You can also use the strawberry as a cute clothes embellishment. It's a long time before Halloween, but scaring your friends on holidays seems to be a good idea for a themed party. Let's make a few thrilling accessories for a horror party. We'll need a piece of plastic again. Smear it with fatty cream. We'll use the hot glue gun. Make streaks, drops, and a glue line. Apply the cream to the awl. Scratch the glue line in the middle. Widen it to imitate jagged wound edges. Color the thrilling accessories with the nail polishes. Paint the middle light green. The infected wound looks particularly disgusting. Paint it red. Add dark red to imitate dry blood. Paint the tears light blue. Make the blood streaks bright red. Attach the streaks, tears, and wound to your face or hands using double-sided tape or special skin glue. Let's make another awful party supply using a syringe and the hot glue gun. Cut off the tip. Squeeze a thick layer of hot glue. Attach the syringe. Press it into the glue. Paint the glue blood red. Use the nail polish. Don't be afraid to smudge the syringe. Ugh! It's totally disgusting. Remove the plastic. You can attach this ghastly thing to your arm or hand, temple, or neck. The party is going to be exciting. The nail through a finger trick is one of the most popular at any horror-themed party. You can usually find